Hi Adam, I have a problem with my charger. Can you give me a call back please? Thank you.
That's a phone call nobody wants. You get that feeling that something terrible has happened and you're running through in the back of your mind what it could possibly be, and you remember leaving a very happy customer when you finished the job. So what's happened here then? So basically what's happened is, while my customer has been charging his vehicle, he lives in an area where there's a lot of foxes, and what they've been doing is nibbling on the cable while it's been on charge. So as you can hopefully see here, all around this cable here you can see nibble marks all the way around it, and there's several areas on the cable where it's like this. Fortunately the foxes haven't actually broken through the insulation, but it's getting close. So I'm going to be doing a temporary repair on this cable today until we find a solution for this problem, which may include rodent deterrents, and then at a later stage we're going to replace the cable altogether. Now where this cable isn't actually damaged to the point where it's broken the insulation, what I'm going to be doing today is wrapping some VM tape around it, which is like a sticky, stretchy rubber tape which will create a watertight seal. And then once that's done, I'll be using some heat shrink just to reinforce this installation. Now I must stress, this is just a temporary repair until my client finds a suitable solution to keeping these foxes away from the charging cable. The cable will be replaced at a later stage, but we're just improving it at the moment. So we've got the VM tape on, we've put the heat shrink over the top. We're going to shrink this down now, put the charger back together, retest everything just to make sure everything's okay, and then that's it, job done. Now what we've got is that VM tape applied and the heat shrink over the top, and all we've really done here today is just reinforce this insulation where it's been damaged. Now I haven't been faced with this issue before, but I can certainly see me coming across this again. So if you are in an area where there are a lot of foxes or badgers or anything like that, where there's a chance that they may chew your cable, it might be worth investing in a cable cover, or alternatively it might be worth looking for some other sort of rodent deterrents.